How could I have forgotten? It's survival of the fittest in this world. This world filled with violence, deception, and betrayal. How could I? How? This isn't coincidence or charity. The system wants me to live. It wants me strong. If the system is bent on using me, I'm just gonna have to use the system. I do. Your crew must understand how it works too if you're saying that. You hunt and hunt. So now I want to know if the hunters are ready to be preyed upon.
I mean, you're the weakest hunter of...